If your mattress has a yellow stain on it, here's the first thing that you need to know. It isn't dirt, it's body oil. The same stuff that turns a white shirt color yellow after several years. And your mattress isn't ruined. That stain is actually the part that doesn't matter. The part that does is underneath it. And it's also why some bedrooms have a faint smell that no one can place. Let's start with the part that never makes sense. You wash your sheets every single week. You've never spilled anything on your bed. So how does a mattress you've literally never touched end up stained? It's because a sheet is never really a barrier. Cotton is woven so it breathes. That's the whole point of it. Air goes right through it, and so does everything your body gives up while you're asleep. Your body puts out sweat and a body oil called sebum every night. And a cotton sheet doesn't stop oil any more than a screen door stops smoke. It passes straight through and lands on the mattress underneath. When that oil first gets there, it's basically colorless. What turns it yellow is time. The fatty acids in skin oil react with air and slowly oxidize. The same reaction that turns butter rancid. Nothing spilled. Nothing went wrong. It's just months and months of a very thin layer of oil going from clear to yellow. And that's why it shows up where it does. That soft blotch sitting roughly where your head and shoulders go, it's basically a map of where you sleep. And everybody who's ever pulled a sheet back has one. You're probably not going to be able to get that stain fully out, and I'd rather just tell you that up front. It's oxidized oils that set into the fibers and soak down into the foam, and foam yellows with age no matter what you do. You can lighten it, but you're not going to get it back to white. And anybody promising you a dramatic before and after on a stain that's been sitting there for years is trying to sell you something, which also means don't throw out a good mattress over it. That mark lives under a sheet that nobody's going to see, and a mattress is $800 to $2,000. What actually matters is the thing that you can't see, and that's damp. Your mattress is the one thing that you sleep on that never goes into a washing machine. And under a fitted sheet, it also doesn't have much chance to dry out. That trapped damp is what dust mites live on. They're about 3/4 water, and they pull it straight out of the air, which is why they do so well in a damp mattress and barely survive in a dry one. Keep a bedroom under 50% humidity and they stop thriving altogether. And the thing most people actually react to isn't even the mite, it's a protein in their waist. So if somebody wakes up stuffy and congested every morning and nobody's ever been able to work out why, that's what that is. And that faint smell I mentioned, the same thing. Moisture sitting in foam, so the stain is history, the damp is right there, and that's the one thing you can change. 4 steps, and none of them need a machine. And if you're waking up stuffy, the one that matters the most to you is step 4. It costs about $10 and you can do it tonight. Step 1 takes about 10 minutes. Strip the bed and vacuum the entire mattress, including the seams. That's lifting off all the skin cells that feed everything. Step 2 is the stain, and only if you want to bother, because remember, it's only cosmetic. On a fresh stain, mist on a cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 3 tablespoons of baking soda and a couple of drops of dish soap. The peroxide lifts the color, the soap breaks up the oil, and the baking soda pulls moisture back up as it dries. Mist, don't soak. 20 minutes, then blot with a dry towel. And test the hidden corner first if your cover isn't white, because peroxide can lighten fabric. But most of the stains people ask us about are years old, and on those, peroxide won't do much. That's set protein by now. You want an enzyme cleaner, the kind sold for pet stains, because it digests the stain instead of bleaching it. Dampen the spot, don't flood it. Lay a towel over the top to hold the damp in and give it 8 to 12 hours. And yes, I'm telling you to deliberately keep foam damp for half a day right before I tell you damp foam is the problem. That's exactly why this next step isn't optional. It also means this is a Saturday job, not an after dinner one. Start it first thing in the morning and plan on sleeping somewhere else that night. Step 3 is drying, and it's the one that can genuinely wreck your mattress if done wrong. Don't just throw the window open. If it's humid outside, you're blowing wetter air into a wet mattress. Close the window and run the AC if you've got it, because air conditioning conditioning pulls water out of the air. Shut the bedroom door and put a fan right on the surface. Then check it like this. Lay the back of your hand flat on the spot. Wet feels cool because evaporating water pulls heat with it. And when it finally feels like the rest of the room, give it another 2 hours anyway, because the top dries first and the water you're worried about is deeper than your hand can reach. And never steam clean foam. Heat plus water is how mildew gets down inside, and once it's in there, nothing you do on the surface will reach it. If your mattress already smells musty, dry it like that on 2 separate days. If the smell lives through that, it's too deep. No spray fixes that one. Step 4 is the permanent one, and here's the whole test. Go put your hand on your bed and find out whether the thing on it zips. That's it. A quilted pad, a fitted sheet style protector, doesn't matter. Neither one zips and neither one is protecting your mattress. What you want is an encasement. It zips around the whole thing, top, bottom, and sides, so oil never reaches the mattress again. And anything already living in there is sealed away from you. Throw it in the washer whenever you do your sheets. Some of you are going to tell me that protectors sleep hot, and you're right, a lot of them do. That's not you imagining it, but that's why it's important to buy the right one. The cheap ones are backed with vinyl, basically a plastic sheet, so they trap heat and crinkle every time you roll over. Get one that says breathable on the package instead. Thin membrane, tiny pores, so the damp still gets out and the heat doesn't sit against you. $30 to $60, and it should last for years. And here's the one I'd actually start with. Do your pillows. Your face is on your pillow all night, not on your mattress. It's the closest thing in the room to the air you're actually breathing. Same fix, but smaller. A zippered pillow protector, $10 to $15. I know a lot of you have never heard of those, which is exactly why I'm saying it. Don't throw out a pillow you like, protect it instead. If you only ever do one thing from this video, do that one. You're not undoing 7 years, you're stopping year 8. And all in, for a bed with a couple of pillows on it, you're looking at $80 to $100. 2 more things and they're both free. Pull the covers back for 20 minutes before you make the bed, so the mattress gets to dry out every day. And do the vacuum and dry once or twice a year. That's it. This isn't a monthly project. The yellow on your mattress is oxidized body oil. It came through a sheet that was never built to stop it, and it's mostly permanent. So let it go, vacuum it, dry it properly, zip an encasement on it, and make sure to do your pillows first because that's the closest one to your face. And if you want to know why your gym clothes still smell after washing, watch this next.